Wait a second.
Just get the hair right. Is it okay?
So we're just live outside the High Court now. We just wait for a couple of people to join. No public access here, just around the side entrance. So I'm here with David Egan. Many of you will have seen David, John, during the week with us, just giving us an update on the situation with Stephen Manning in court down at Clifton. So thankfully, things progressed nicely there, and we'll see what happens in the future on that. Now, in the meantime, let me talk to Dave here. Dave, you might just start off by telling us. I'll just make sure everyone can hear us here first. Can people hear us there in the chat? Just let us know. Listen in the chat, everyone.
Yes,
Hold on a sec, David. Now, I just want to get confirmation that we're okay here. People hear us in the chat? Hello? Sarah James, can you hear us there? Loud and clear. Excellent. Fair play to you. Thanks a lot. Okay, David, tell us just a little bit, but before you tell us about what happened today, what is this court case all about? Can you tell us?
court case to stop COVID-19 vaccinations of children around Ireland at such time as full informed consent can be given by parents or guardians. Now, this makes use of the precautionary principle in Irish and European law. And so we're here a number of months now in this court case. And the first thing we applied for is protective costs. So wouldn't be charged costs of €100,000 or more by the state and government. So the judgment on the costs on April 25th this year, and it denied us protective costs. Now, I don't mind that, but I do mind was the content of the judgment, and that's been a big problem for us because the judgment was very, it's very insulting, and that's as much as I can say now at the moment. But it also prejudged and prejudiced the whole case and future court hearings around informed consent and the injunction, which meant it broke Superior Court rules and other laws and guidelines of the judiciary, and also European law, Irish law, and the Irish Constitution. So we were there today to ask for the recusal of Judge Michael Twomey based on those grounds. So I handed him 10 pages of our submissions to do with the recusal. These are to do with his breach of the Judicial Council Act 2019, his breach of the Judicial Council guidelines and rules, his breach of the Bangalore Principle conduct, his breach of Supreme Court precedents, European Court precedents, American Court precedents, and Irish Court precedents, Superior Courts here in Ireland and in Britain, and also the breach of the Irish Constitution, the judge's oath, and we detailed other breaches as well. Now, very comprehensive, and I think it took the judge by surprise. It definitely took the HSE and state minister by surprise. So we were very just matter of fact and detailed in our submissions. Now, the judge couldn't deal with the whole thing today, and neither could the state HSE, because it was a very high level of detail delivered to the court. Now, the HSE and state did reply back to us. They mentioned some precedents related to the High Court in the past. Now, these were basically insignificant because we basically said the reasonable man and woman test, which is set by the Supreme Court, was the test for objective bias and confirmation bias in superior courts. So that's what we're relying on. And I think we've very just grounds for a recusal of the judge. Now, it's been set to tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock for a second hearing in this matter. So we're hoping to get a recusal of the judge tomorrow. That means the judge will be removed from the case for confirmation bias and objective bias. And hopefully another judge will be brought in to adjudicate on costs and other matters. If not, we will appeal directly to the Supreme Court. We'll appeal the refusal of the judge to remove himself, the cost judgment, and the entire case to the Supreme Court, and let them deal with the matter. So that's what we're going to do now tomorrow if it doesn't work out. Basically, a lot of work we put into this now, so I think it'll work out in our favour tomorrow.
That's great, David. Thanks very much for the update there. As you said, the case will continue tomorrow. Is it in court 13 tomorrow again?
It'll be in the four courts tomorrow. The court number hasn't been decided yet. The evening time, and we put up in the legal diary. So you can see that on the four courts, the courts.ie website. We publish the legal diary of courts. That's what the general public view.
There you go. So you'll see it on the courts.ie website later on, or if you're around the four courts tomorrow morning around 10 o'clock, I'm sure you'll see a few people. So I hope some people can go along and support. It's very important. case that's taking place to stop this trial COVID-19 vaccine. I don't know if I can say that anymore on Facebook or YouTube. We'll see what happens. We'll see if this gets removed, but it's to stop the administration of that vaccine, if you want to call it that, to children in Ireland. So very best wishes to Dave. We all appreciate his work, and hopefully some people can go along tomorrow and support. Okay, folks, take care. Bye-bye.